In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero how to setting up a new bank account in Xero 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening Xero and signing in. Use the standard Xero login page, enter your email and password, and complete any multi-factor authentication if it pops up. Make sure you're logging into the correct organization if you manage more than one. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which gives you a quick snapshot of your business. From here, head to the top menu and open the Accounting tab. In that menu, choose Bank Accounts. This is the central place where all your bank and credit card feeds live, and it's where you'll add new connections. Click Add Bank Account. You'll see a search bar and, depending on your region, a list of popular banks. Start typing your bank's name or select it from the drop-down suggestions. Take a moment to confirm you're picking the right bank entity for your country and the correct currency if your business operates with multiple currencies. Matching the exact bank and region helps avoid connection issues later. After selecting your bank, click Continue. Xero will redirect you to your bank's secure login page or a consent screen. This is normal. Xero uses bank-grade connections and only pulls transaction data you authorize. Have your bank login details ready and be prepared to approve the connection with any two-step verification your bank requires. If a consent window shows a time limit, note that you may need to reconsent periodically for ongoing feeds. Follow the prompts to complete the connection. Typically, you'll choose which specific bank accounts to link, such as checking or savings, and select the date range for the initial import. Picking a start date that aligns with your bookkeeping period keeps your reconciliation clean. You can also adjust the account name that will appear in Xero so it's easy to recognize on your dashboard. When you finish, you'll be taken back to Xero. Your new bank account tile should appear on the bank accounts page. The first import can take a few minutes. If transactions don't display right away, give it a moment and refresh. From here, you can move on to reconciling, where you match imported transactions to invoices, bills, and spend money items. If you process similar transactions regularly, consider setting up bank rules later to speed things up. And that's it. You've connected a new bank account in Xero securely and efficiently, and you're ready to keep your books up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.